How to make and create certificates on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional certificate on Canva easy and fast. First thing, go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for certificate like this. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, let's choose this one, and you can edit the text and all these things. As you can see, you have many other certificates. For example, this one looks more professional, and you can change the text again from here. You can add your name, and you have this one also. This one looks so good also. After you finish editing this template, or what you have to do is just go to the share option and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.